Today you join us for a dAHler exhaust installation, and to my right hand side is an X4 M40i, and what's going on is this dAHler exhaust. So as you can see, this is a, well, effectively rear silencer replacement that we've got laid out here, and it links up to just where the resonator is in the middle part of the exhaust system. So it's quite a comprehensive kit. You've obviously got two valves on this system versus one valve that's on the original. So it's going to make use of an additional valve here, which one will be used from the vehicle itself. And we've got some nice fetching carbon fibre tips. I quite like these. I'm not too sure what you guys think at home, but a few different colourway options for the actual logo. But I love a satin finish on an exhaust tip. I think it looks amazing. So looking forward to seeing what this one is like once it's installed, and also interested to see what it sounds like as well. Not only is this an exhaust system replacement, it also is a valve system override as well. So this box that you can see here will effectively give you better control over the valve positions. So BMW like to change the valve positions depending on driving modes, as well as throttle position and RPM. There's quite a few variants, but it never fully opens the valves, which is a bit of a shame really. We want to make your noisy exhaust as noisy as you can, at least where the valve's open. So that gives you control. So it means you can shut it up, and you also can make it louder as and when. So you have a nice little remote fob. That means it gives you a bit more control. So enough about me talking about this. Let's get it on the car and hear what it sounds like at the end. So if you hang around, you'll hear what the befores and afters are like. So enough about that. Let's get it on the car and see what it sounds like. So we're all wrapped up here with installation, and well, first off, it was a really nice fitting part. I guess that's what you come to expect with a TÜV approved product as well, and this is also BMW approved as well. So no modifications needed. It was a straight up fitment. Obviously you need to change over the solenoid from the original exhaust alongside the new one, otherwise it's a straight up fitment, and adjust the tips, and otherwise you're good to go. But as a whole, fantastic fitment, and the sound is absolutely amazing. Hopefully it comes across in the video clips which you're about to see. But for a system that is completely emissions friendly, so it keeps the original catalytic converters, the original GPF on there, and also it keeps the original middle resonator as well, keeps all of that, and it still sounds this good. I am extremely impressed with this, and as I said, I really hope it does come across on the video which you're about to hear now, because this is a really special exhaust. I don't know whether I can go as far as to say this is one of my favourite exhausts we fitted, but it's certainly, keeping the GPFs and the catalytic converters, this is my favourite exhaust I've ever heard. It is really special. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Hopefully you will enjoy the sound, but join us next time. We'll see what we have in. See you guys soon.
Mm-hmm.